Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to head down to Essex and do a garage installation for our good friend Tommy Mallet, so stay tuned and we're going to show you the process. Just now we've come to collect some tiles from the guys at Mint Installs, so this is the overflow of our tiles from our factory at the moment. So we're just going to load up and head down to the installation. So we've just arrived to the job. This is Tommy's new garage. As some of you would have seen, we've already done his old garage next door, but he's just built this for one of his cars. So it's just a bare concrete floor. We're going to cover this with our vented system and then put some skirting around the edges. So stay tuned.
Right, so that's all the full tiles down now, so now we're just going to start cutting around the trig cuts and around the edges.
That's us all done with the tiles, so we're now going to go around the edges with our PVC skirting just to finish it off nicely, so we'll show you that going on as well.
Done it again, big up the boys at Garage Styles, my second garage.
So that's us all finished at Tommy's garage. We used our black vented tiles with matching skirting. This is the second job we've done for him and I'm sure we'll be doing more in the future. Thanks for watching today's video guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and we'll see you on another video soon.